Hey folks, Vic here with your weekly trade video for Friday, February the 28th, 2020. Today I'm going to show you 3 position trades that Darko posted for our members, and something that is super helpful is he also posts screenshots of all of our trades, including these position trades, to our premium service chart area, and I'll show you those screenshots in this video. Okay, like I say, they're just so helpful. Position trades can be just perfect for those who really can't be on their computers much. And for position trades, we use monthly charts for our support resistance levels, and then the daily chart as our entry time frame. So it really slows things down. And of course, you can still get some great moves, as you're going to see. And just so you know, we don't use any more account risk with position trading as we do with day trading or whatever. Okay, it's still just 0.5% account risk. Okay, at least that's what we suggest. All right, let's switch over to the charts, and I'll show you some position trades. Alrighty, like I said, we had 3 position trades that were filled in February. Actually, I think there's 4 now. I think we just got filled on one today, but I just want to show you the ones that we've done. And of course, with a longer term approach like this, you're obviously not going to be getting as many trades as you would with, like, say, day trading or even swing trading. So you need to have the right expectations if you're going to position trade. Okay, keep in mind you can still make just as many pips. They can be great trades depending, of course, on what the markets give us, like with any trading. Okay, let me start. You know what? I'll show you our losing trade first, because it doesn't really matter. But what I'm going to do is Darko post all of these things in advance on the on our CC. This is the CC premium charts, which are just fantastic. Kudos to Darko for coming up with this. But in any event, here's the position trading tab. You go down to the CAD yen. This is the one he was looking to trade right here. And he showed that we were at this level of, we come up and touch this level of prior resistance and a huge negative candle. This is an ACAT trade, advanced candle action trade. Our daily chart is our entry time frame for these position trades. We reference the monthly chart, support resistance levels. We go to our daily chart for the entry. This level of old resistance in here is the entry with a higher high stop loss. And this is our risk in this red rectangle. And look at the huge profit potential. Okay, so let's go have a look and see what happened. Well, excuse me, this is where we were looking to sell. And look what happened. It just powered right through, went above, actually hit the stop, and then went down like this. I mean, is that not frustrating or what? This is all 100% hindsight, folks. We don't show, make stuff up after the fact. Oh, well, we wouldn't have got stopped out of blah, blah. That's all just garbage. This is a losing trade, plain and simple. That's how you count it, okay? We just don't engage in that kind of stuff. I know probably others might do that, but we don't. Anyway, so there it was, losing trade, and you move on. Let me show you what else we did here. Okay, so the next one I have is a New Zealand US dollar pair trade. And actually, let's go back to the premium charts again. And again, he posted these. The New Zealand US dollar was right here. It was a set and forget short. He posted it on February the 11th. Okay, so we click on this. And look what he's showing here. We got this lower highs on the monthly chart. And here's our level that we're looking at, this old level of support. Price had traded well below it. So what we're looking for now is for price to go up and touch this line again, if it makes sense. And here's the daily chart right here, and it makes great sense because this is a level to sell at with a higher high stop loss. Okay, look where price is when he took the screenshot, way down here. We had no idea, or he had no idea, if it was going to come up to here. And if it did come up to here, would it go straight through? What would it do? You need to have a game plan, folks. These are trades that generally work out, okay? And sometimes they don't. It doesn't matter because the odds are good that it's going to work out, okay, most times. Going to the New Zealand US dollar pair, let's have a look and see what happened. Here was exactly what Darko posted. Price was down here when he posted it. It came up, we got filled right in here, and look at this nice little move down. The sell was at about 64.60, needed about a 50 pip stop loss. And the next monthly support did get hit for about 125 pips, or about a 2.5 to 1 reward risk. And it's gone much lower, actually, up over 3 to 1 now. That's all hindsight as well. You know, if your game plan is to take it off at the next monthly level, that's fine. Or you're going to use some other trade management technique, that's fine too. You could have kept in, but in any event, obviously a great trade no matter what you did. Let's go to our next one, which was the CADJPY. So first we'll start with Darko's posting here, a screenshot. CADJPY, set and forget short, February the 13th. Okay. Here it was, nice level of support. Look at this ranging in here. Price has a big drop. Now we're looking for price to come up and touch this level in here. That's this level right here. Higher high stop loss. Again, you can see it's posted way, way ahead of time. So let's go have a look at the chart. And here we are. And there is the daily chart. And this is where Darko was looking at to sell right here. I've got it marked with a higher high stop loss. And gee, what an incredible move down. We haven't actually made it to the final target, but we've hit this target here. First of all, and so there's been so far, this needed a 77 pip stop loss, by the way. Excuse me, the sell was at about just under 74.40, I believe. And of course, you know, for 77 pips, there's no problem with that. That's just fine. Just make sure that no matter what your pip risk is, that you're not risking more than about 0.5% of your account. Okay, that's what we suggest. At least that's our suggestion. This trade has been profitable by about 185 pips, more than 2 to 1, down to this level here. The final profit level is about 225 pips, close to a 3 to 1. Who knows? We'll see what happens. Hey, I want to show you something here, actually. Let's go back to the premium charts, and here I want to show you the trade management tab. This is what's so cool. So on our trade management tab, Darko usually, not always, posts trade management for the trades that we're in. So here's the CADJPY right here that got filled. Here's part 1. Put this in, click on this, pardon me. Here's the trade he was looking at, and he was looking to, and so he'll post this once you get filled. Now what? What do we do? How do we manage this? Well, our stop is here. This and this and this are all levels to get the risk out of the trade. See that? So what a great tool this is to help our traders to help with their trade management. Break out from a ranging mode. See this ranging in here without hitting any opposing levels. The majority of the candle closed below this significant neckline. Nice. Okay. And what's that? I've shown you those 3. Okay, that's good. Now listen. In addition to just bring this back up here. In addition to these position trades, we've also had a fairly active month with our swing trades. I think there was, and I don't have it right in front of me, like about 8 swing trades, something like that, which is unusually high. Overall, though, they did very well. A couple of losses, but most were either profitable or break even, depending on trade management. And Darko, like I say, he usually puts up a post of how to manage trades, which could be a day trade, a swing trade, or position trade. So it's very, very helpful for people. So just wanted to show you what can be done for those that want or need a longer term approach like position trading, because there's lots of opportunity. So if you simply don't have time for being at your computer for trading, maybe due to a job or some other commitment, you might want to consider position trading. And as I said, you can do just as well or even better with position trading than you could with short-term trading. And the nice thing about position trading is that everything is slowed way down. As always, if you liked this video, I would sure appreciate it if you'd hit the like button. And also, be sure to follow us here on YouTube, and don't forget to click that little bell so that you'll be notified whenever I put out a new video. And finally, I'd love to hear from you. Any particular thoughts or comments on position trading, post them in the comments. Thanks, everyone. Enjoy your weekend. See you next week with another weekly trade video. Take care.